Hey guys, I went to, it's Webkins 19, and, I just went to Limited 2 from the mall, and as you know, it is now Justice. Sorry, that's my birthday. Justice. And I got, yeah, you can't really see it. Okay, so the first thing I got is, oh, sorry, that's my mom. And, I got the Webkins lamb. Let's see. Oh, she fell. And I'm gonna name it Lucille. Okay. So yeah. That's the first thing I got. And the second thing is these brown gladiators, and they're kind of sparkly. See? Justice. See that really clearly. And on the store, they were having 30% off the entire store. So I went there, and this was only $11.55, the Webkins. And so yeah, and so are these. And I also got this white dress with the bow. So yeah, I gotta go. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.